So, good evening, everybody. So, I really love to interact with everyone. Because of my busy schedule. I remain so busy, it becomes sometimes very difficult to find out time. But however, these sessions, when I can interact with you, you all can contact with me and you can ask directly questions. It is really very good, and this is necessary in building a very the family relationship, because I always strongly believe that we all work in a family. So let me see. Jamini has joined. Mr. Praveen Chachan, always active. This gentleman from Siliguri. Mrs. Raniti Majumdar has joined. Gautam Sarkar has joined. Shubham Sharma, Hema, welcome Hema. Devashish Rai Chaudhary is joined. Good evening, Devashish Babu. Jyoti Kaustubh Bhattacharya. Mr. Kamal Debray, Jitendra Jadhav, Vivek Singh, good evening Vivek. Sushant Kumar Mukhopadhyay, good evening. Okay, so everybody has joined. I hope, because this program is running in 4 to 5 pages simultaneously. That is Art of Living with Diabetes page, and also in the Kidney Care Society's page. Whoever is there, please try to follow. Altogether, there are a large number of people are watching, because it is running through simultaneously 3 or 4 pages. Okay, so today what we are going to discuss was very important. I felt this is very relevant of today's the time we are passing through. A lot of time I get request from the participants to speak sometime in English, sometime in Hindi, sometime in Bengali. So I'll try to यूज मिक्सड लैंग्वेज. कखनो बांग्लाয় কিছু बोलबो, कखनो কিছু इंग्लिशতে बोलबो, कखनो हिंदीते बोलबो, कभी कभी हिंदी में भी 2-4 बात करेंगे, क्योंकि सबको अगर विजिबिलिटी ठीक रहता है, सबको अगर देख सकते हैं, नो प्रॉब्लम. ठीक है. তো আমরা একটা খুব কঠিন সময়ের মধ্যে দিয়ে যাচ্ছি, কারণ এই 2020 বছরটা শেষ হতে চললো. The 2020 is going to be end. Very soon Christmas, then followed by the New Year's is coming. But we have faced the greatest challenge of the humanity in the last more than 200 years. This much of devastating pandemic nobody has seen in their lifetime. এরকম বড় মহামারী সত্যি আমাদের জীবদ্দশায় আমাদের গুরুজনরা, আমাদের পূর্বপুরুষ যারা, তারা কেউ শোনেনি. নোবডি হ্যাজ সিন. हमारी जो सीनियर्स है, nobody has their lifetime has seen this type of pandemic, where one disease in a very short time has involved every country of the world and taking so many lives. So it is really, we are passing through a very bad time. তিবরাল জি, গুড ইভিনিং. হ্যাঁ, প্রদ্যুৎ দেব সরকার জয়েন করেছেন. গুড ইভিনিং প্রদ্যুৎ বাবু. ওকে, অর্পিতা, ওয়েলকাম. নাও দ্য পয়েন্ট ইজ, কী করবো আমরা? সত্যি তো, মানে দিস করোনা ইজ এস নিউ ইনফেকশন. ইভেন লাস্ট 8 to 9 months, almost 10 months, we did lot of trial and error experiments. Scientific bodies has worked how to tackle this problem. National guideline came, international guideline came, but till the disease is a mystery. অনেক কিছু হয়েছে, আমাদের প্রচুর গবেষণা হয়েছে, প্রচুর ন্যাশনাল ইন্টারন্যাশনাল বডিজ থেকে ডক্টররা চেষ্টা করেছেন এই কী করে অসুখটাকে ঠিক একটা জায়গায় আটকে রাখা যায়, কী করে উই ক্যান ম্যানেজ দ্য ডিজিজ, বাট স্টিল ইট ইজ এ মিস্ট্রি. আমরা এখনও পুরোপুরি সবটা জানি না, সবটা উত্তর জানি না. কেন করোনা নিয়ে এতটা চিন্তিত এবং হোয়াই আজকেই আমি এই লাইভ সেশনটা করছি আফটার 10 or 8 months, তার কারণটা হচ্ছে উইন্টার ইজ এ ভেরি ব্যাড টাইম ইন টার্মস অফ রেসপিরেটরি ট্র্যাক্ট ইনফেকশন. যখন শীত চলে আসে, মানে জাস্ট ঠান্ডা পড়তে শুরু করেছে, सर्दी का मौसम आ गया है, तो ये सर्दी का मौसम जब आती है, हम लोगों की कॉमन viral infection hota hai. This is normal. Every year, every season, and especially the group of patients whom we do cater, those who are suffering from renal failure, they are very prone for developing respiratory tract infection. Transplant patients are very prone for developing respiratory tract infection during the winter time. So winter time is a festive time. People goes for a lot of festival, lot of celebrations. I don't know how it is relevant this year, because this year Durga Puja was one of the dullest Durga Puja I have ever seen. Everybody was locked in room. Same thing during the Christmas also. New Year celebration will also not be as supposed to because of this corona fear. Keeping all this in mind, what I need to caution to all my patient, to all those who are following me, to all the family members of the patient, this time is very tough time. We need to be very careful. We need to be very careful in terms of avoiding respiratory tract infection, because corona is pandemic. It is still, there are some data which is showing that curves are slightly coming down, but these are statistics. Even today, we are getting a huge number of positive patients in our hospitals. Hospital beds are occupied. Getting bed in the hospital is a big challenge. These otherwise secondarily informs us, this secondarily tells us that, okay, whatever might be the statistics, the curve showing up, down, whatever, if it is low, that is always good. If the disease eradicates from the society, we all pray for that. But my experience says that it will take much more time, another 3, 4, 5 months. And do you know that there are a lot of research has been done in terms of the vaccine development, but the vaccination issues is still, there are a lot of big question marks. যে ভ্যাকসিন নিয়ে যে কথাবার্তাগুলো হচ্ছে, যে ভ্যাকসিন চলে আসবে, ফাইজারের ভ্যাকসিন, এগুলো তাতে কিছু প্রশ্ন এখনো থেকে যাচ্ছে, বিকজ দিস ভ্যাকসিন ডিড নট গট টাইম ফর adequate testing. There are few bad incidents also happened. Bell's palsy. Just few days back, I got a report that 4 of the person who received vaccine, they will develop Bell's palsy. Earlier during the phase 2 trial, there was one amyotrophic lateral sclerosis. Amyotrophic lateral sclerosis is a very dangerous disease, or neurological demyelinating disease, which can lead to complete paralysis. So this thing happened. The reason, because usually any vaccine development, it takes near about 8 to 9 years of time. Corona is very new disease, starting from last year, December, November, that was the time when it started. And 5 to 6 months it takes to understand the disease. So for development and research, we got only 5 to 6 months. And again, the big challenge is, any retrovirus in which family the corona falls, retroviral vaccine development is very, very difficult. It's very difficult. So we don't know. We are hopeful, and if the vaccine comes successfully, because time was very short, if we get it in a very functional and the proper way, that will be the best boon to the humanity. There are rat race also for development of the vaccine, understanding the global crisis. Everybody wants to do faster vaccine development. So we exactly don't know what is going to happen. I think those who are observing today's live session, they are aware of that sad incidents of their family or their near and dear one friends. I lost my maternal uncle due to corona. Every day, a lot of patients who are actually, we had a tough and tight bonding, they are no more. So this is really very sad thing. I understand that when we are alive, a day must come everybody to leave this world. But for a disease, and at a time so many people are washing off from the society, it is really painful. So what do we need to do? Those who are still alive, a lot of my colleagues are no more. What do we need to do? One thing has happened, because initially when the lockdown was declared, when there was a lot of fear. The fear people are confined in the room over last 8, 9 months, 10 months, staying at the room. It is also not easy. People has become desperate now. Everybody has a feeling, jo hoga dekha jayega. And this is also not decreasing, rather increasing the risk. So we need to know something, we need to do something in favor of the entire community. So do something. That was because medically so far we have not done anything miraculous, anything recommendable. The drugs which has been recommended for treatment, yes, I have used those same group of medicine as per the recommendation for the medical community. In a lot of my patients, they have recovered, but there are so many informations are coming also that okay, some research trial has been published which is showing that the efficacy of these drugs are doubtful. Whether the corona recovers on its own or by the effect of this medicine, it is still in doubt. We exactly don't know. Initially, there was a lot of favorism in favor of Esiquest. Then we understood it does not work. Other medications. So exactly, remdesivir has also some questions regarding its efficacy, which is a cornerstone of the treatment. Except steroid, nothing has been conclusively found to be very, very effective. So this is the biggest challenge also. Now, it is seen that in a family, if somebody is suffering from corona, someone is becoming serious, rest of the members are not become serious. I think you have observed this, no? মানে একই বাড়িতে যখন করোনা হচ্ছে তখন দেখা যাচ্ছে সবাই কিন্তু একরকমভাবে ক্রিটিক্যালিটি হচ্ছে না। আমরা অনেক রকম কোমরবিডিটি, ব্যাকগ্রাউন্ড মেডিকেল ডিসঅর্ডার, ইমিউনো কম্প্রোমাইজ স্টেট, এগুলো সব ব্যাখ্যা করি। কিন্তু আমার মনে হয় যে there are a lot of things which we don't know exactly. Why? Among the two diabetics in the family, husband and wife both diabetics, husband become very sick, wife has no problem. Somebody has a cytokine storm, his all blood reports is showing hayward, creatinine gone up, interleukin 6 gone up. On the contrary, same family, same comorbidity, he or she is also diabetic, but he is not suffering that much serious disease. So there are a lot of things which we don't know. But one thing it is sure, if immunity of a person is strong, if especially this corona proliferates in the lung, so if the lung immunity is very, very good, somebody who is having a very strong fundamental lung functionality, then possibly he or she would be much more able to fight with the disease. That is logically true. Does anybody have any confusion about that? So when the infection goes inside the body, it starts proliferating, it causes damage in the epithelium, it causes thrombosis in the small vessels of the lung. Obviously the functional unit of the lung get destroyed. আমি বাংলায় বলছি, যখন করোনা আমাদের লাংসের ভেতরে ঢোকে, ছোট ছোট এপিথেলিয়ামকে নষ্ট করে, ছোট ছোট ব্লাড ভেসেলগুলোর মধ্যে ক্লট তৈরি করে, তখন একটা লাংসের একটা বিরাট পোর্শন নষ্ট হয়। আর in any viral infection, what happens, our body responds to by its immune system get activated, which wants to kill the virus. Now overfire of the immune system is more dangerous. So আমাদের যেটা করতে হবে, মানে what we need to do all in this time, because whenever someone was coming in our contact, those who are practicing our yoga program Mukti, they all know they are doing some specific exercises. কিন্তু আমার মনে হয় everybody who is present in this group or not in the group, if they are known to you, they must be aware of the fact that John Hopkins University and also the Stanford University, they have decided or they have designed some breathing exercise program for the corona patients. And actually the idea came in my mind. I designed this thing, and I was searching what our different colleagues in the different part of the world are doing. Are they thinking in this line? And I was surprised to see what I was thinking, those people has already started to think on that line. But their planning of respiratory exercise and the way we Indians, those who have a tremendous inclination towards Indian yoga, because Indian yoga is one of the marvelous research over years where our scientists, ancient scientists, they did so many great and innovative and work of so much depth, which is unparalleled. So I was seeing that what is happening all over the world. And believe me, they decided some program to some extent very superficial level. Just prone position, ventilation, deep breathing, that's it, blah, blah. But the fundamental of the breathing exercise, the way the breathing exercise has been looked in ancient Indian yoga, and the way it has been explored in depth, and the practical tips which has been research in this country is phenomenal. So I'm lucky to be born in India. I'm really lucky to get the opportunity to learn those things from the schools which are really 200, 500 years old, practicing those or preserving those culture. মানে আমি নিজেকে খুব ভাগ্যবান মনে করি যে আমি ভারতবর্ষে জন্মেছি এবং এই কান্ট্রিতে আমাদের কিছু উইজডম, কিছু নলেজ, কিছু প্র্যাকটিক্যাল টেকনিক্স, কিছু টিপস আছে, এটা গোটা পৃথিবীর মানুষের শেখা উচিত। Two things, I'm telling you, two things India can teach to all over the world. One is Indian yoga, obviously it has to be cultured in the purest form. And second thing is Indian classical music and arts. These are the two areas, really. Yes, and if you ask me, historically our science was very developed. This concept of zero was described here, concept of space, everything was here, but somehow because of non-practice those things had gone. And you'll be surprised to know now yoga is better cultured other part of the world rather than in India. This is very unfortunate. My one cousin brother is a liver transplant surgeon in King's College. His daughter has joined in the medicine in Cambridge. It's very interesting. In internship program of their medical undergraduate curriculum, they have Indian yoga as a paper. What we here do not know exactly. This is a very unfortunate story. So why I am doing this today's session, the purpose is I was teaching in my way to my patients regarding in the Art of Living, in the Mukti program and also in the Art of Living program. We have a beautiful sessions in upcoming session where I'll describe few of the specific exercises targeted for specific problems. But yoga is a holistic science. It does not focus specifically in one organ, but however, the lungs is the most fundamental for any yogic advancement. This is very, very important. This is very, very fundamental to understand. Because we have two types of nervous system in our body. One is voluntary nervous system. For example, right now I'm itching my neck. I have a feeling here. I raised my hand and I did the voluntary work. And right now I'm talking. My lip muscles and everything are moving. These are all controlled by our voluntary nervous system. Kathakuli, thank you for coming. Thank you for joining. Please listen. Now, when I'm talking right now, you are watching in me live in the Facebook or in other platform. Your heart is beating. You may not be aware. Your lung is exchanging air. Your liver, it is doing its great job of a lot of biochemical purification synthesis. Your intestine is trying to digest the foods we have eaten maybe hours earlier. Your kidney, those who have a kidney disease may not be, it is not working, but those who are healthy otherwise from the kidney perspective view is working. So the major important organ inside our body, those otherwise keeps the entire this complex system functioning, they works on their own intelligence. They do not listen to your word. Do not listen to your what you are thinking. We need to understand this very clearly, that our heart, our liver, our lung, our kidney, all this essential organ of life, all the important machineries which otherwise making us alive, they never wait for anybody. They take their own decision. They work continuously since birth to death. So these control is totally done by autonomic nervous system. So can I do one experiment? So everybody is here sitting. So how many of you can right now look at the screen and increase your heart rate? Voluntarily, can you try? Please try and increase your heart rate by 10. Can you do it? If you can, please write down in the comment box, yes, I have increased my heart rate by 10, or reduce your heart rate by 5. Can anybody do it? If you can do it, please mention in the comment box. I want to see. Someone is telling audio is low. No, my audio is very good. You need to increase the volume of your microphone set, okay? Please increase the volume in your microphone. My audio is excellent. Am I audible? Am I loud? Okay. So you all can listen, no? Okay. So can anybody here who is listening right now increase the liver juices for a moment? Because liver secrete a lot of important juices. Can you all do it by your own will? Just try. So someone, Devashish Raichaudhuri has mentioned, no sir, I can't. No, Devashish Babu, not only you, nobody can do it. Nobody can do it. Okay. So the point is, the increasing heart rate, reducing heart rate, increasing functionality of the liver, this is not possible because these things are beyond our control. We can't control those things. Okay. So this we need to understand very clearly. আমরা চাইলেই আমাদের হার্ট রেট বাড়িয়ে দিলাম, লিভার ফাংশন বাড়িয়ে দিলাম, লিভার থেকে একটু বেশি জুস সিক্রেট করে দিলাম, এটা আমরা করতে পারি না। ইট ইজ নট পসিবল। ওকে, ইট ইজ নট পসিবল। বাট if you want, then you can take voluntarily deep breath. ওকে, যদি আমরা চাই আমরা কিন্তু জোরে শ্বাস নিতে পারি। ক্যান ইউ টেক ইউর ডিপ ব্রেথ? Yes, it is possible. If you want, you can also reduce your breath also to some extent. So among all the vital organs inside our body, the respiratory system and lung is the only organ which has both autonomic and voluntary control. মানে আমরা চাইলে আমাদের লাংসকে জোর করে ব্রিথ করাতে পারি, আর না চাইলে লাংস অটোমেটিক ভলান্টারিলি তার নিজের ইন্টেলিজেন্সে কাজ করতে পারে। So this is the thing. যখন আমরা ঘুমোই রাত্রিবেলা, we are sleeping. When we are sleeping, what happens? Our breathing continues. Breathing is so important because when a child starts taking breath, আমরা বলি যে একটা নতুন শিশু, নতুন new life is there, new life came. And when you stop breathing, there is nothing, no more. Somebody is no more. So breathing is otherwise synonymous with life, and this respiratory system and respiratory mechanism is the only important mechanism in our body which has both autonomic and voluntary control. Please try to understand this point very clearly. আমি আবার বলছি, বাংলাতে বলছি, আমাদের শরীরের সমস্ত ইম্পর্টেন্ট অর্গানগুলো, লিভার, হার্ট, স্টমাক বলুন, স্প্লিন বলুন, লাং, সমস্ত অর্গান, প্রত্যেকটি যে অর্গানগুলো প্রচণ্ড ইম্পর্টেন্ট ফর আওয়ার লাইফ, তারা সবাই অটোনমিক কন্ট্রোলে চলে। মানে আমরা নিজেরা চাইলেই ওদের ফাংশন কন্ট্রোল করতে পারি না। দে ওয়ার্ক অন দেয়ার ওন রিদম, দে হ্যাভ দেয়ার ওন ইন্টেলিজেন্স। অনলি লাংস, মানে যে শ্বাস প্রশ্বাস নেওয়ার যে যন্ত্র, দ্যাট ইজ লাংস অ্যান্ড দি রেসপিরেটরি মেকানিজম, দিস হ্যাজ এ বোথ অটোনমিক অ্যান্ড ভলান্টারি কন্ট্রোল। মানে যখন আমরা রাত্রিবেলায় ঘুমোই তখন অটোমেটিক্যালি আমাদের ব্রিদিং চলে, লাইক অটোমেটিক্যালি লিভার কাজ করে, কিডনি কাজ করে যেরকম। আর চাইলে আমরা কিন্তু জোরে শ্বাস নিতে পারি। ওকে, সো these need to be understood very clearly, and henceforth understanding this unique property of respiratory system based on these, our ancient rishis and ancient yogis, they did marvelous research. They discovered very innovative and intuitive way the mechanism and techniques by which we can take control of this respiratory organ. And do you know one thing? The breathing is such a autonomic and voluntarily controlled thing. It has a tremendous role to make functional health of the other organs too. And if your respiratory system is quite healthy, then you can keep a control of your cardiac function, and to some extent if you use it much deeper way, and if you know how to improvise its function further, it has a capacity to transform every cell of your body, every cell of your body. So this is the reason why this pranayamas was discovered, kumbhakas was discovered. These are the different yogic techniques. So what I feel in this crisis period, when the millions of people are suffering from corona, and this winter time, the chances of respiratory infections are further going on. So I was thinking what we can give to my patients, and understanding that, we have designed a very innovative and very structured, scientifically designed sets of breathing exercise. This breathing exercise will tremendously help to utilize the unutilized alveoli of your lung, and roughly a couple of months I am trying to a lot of my patients, I am getting a very, very good results, those who are using this practices or religiously doing these practices. By the way, those who are present here, I think everybody are aware that we run a program called Mukti. Initially, when we designed Mukti, our main purpose was to give somebody the taste of different dimension of our existence. And this program, that breathing exercise for the COVID, it is not simply designed for the COVID. I kept the name COVID reason because this is a main challenge for the patient who are facing right now. But anyone who been introduced in this program, if they practices this exercise, it takes hardly 20-25 minutes. Initially you need to learn it properly, then you need to practice. I believe over a period of month, there is no reason that your respiratory health will be sick. It is bound to improve to a better state. It's bound to improve. So keeping that in mind, so what are those exercises? I'll just give you some demonstration. Obviously, it is available right now in the Save Kidney platform, because those who have new here, possibly you do not know that we have started Art of Living with Diabetes, a beautiful educative program for the patient who are suffering from diabetes. We have started Mukti. We have started this innovative breathing exercise program. This is a combination of a lot of things, because what do we do? যখন হাসপাতাল থেকে একজন করোনা রোগী ছুটি হয়ে বাড়ি যায়, আমরা কি বলি তাকে? খালি যাও বাড়ি থেকে স্পাইরোমেট্রি করবে, 3টে বল সবাই টেনে টেনে ওপরে তুলছে। দ্যাটস ইট। what exactly we are doing by that? We are just trying to increase the inspiratory reserve capacity. That's it. কিন্তু রেসপিরেশনের অনেকগুলো কম্পোনেন্ট রয়েছে যেটা আমাদের জানা দরকার। We have a multiple component of act of respiration. It is starting from inspiration, depth of inspiration, volume of inspiration, then the gaseous exchange period, taking care of the dead space, expiration. Expiration again has a 2 to 3 phase. The first initial expiratory phase, then slow expiratory phase. When you design this exercise as a doctor, then we need to focus on all these minute parts. And respiration is such a mechanism in our body. It does not only happen to the lung. We need to understand that very clearly. Lung is the most important organ. But there are at least near about hundreds of accessory muscles which are tremendously important to keeping our breathing mechanism normal. And not only that, our nervous system, the midbrain, and also the frontal cortex, which are directly responsible for making the act of respiration in a healthy. আমি আরেকবার বাংলায় বলছি, মানে আমাদের ধারণা আছে যে রেসপিরেশন মানে শুধু লাংস দিয়ে হচ্ছে, ব্যাপারটা তা নয়। দ্য অ্যাক্ট অফ রেসপিরেশন ঠিক করে হওয়ার জন্য তার অনেকগুলো ফেজ রয়েছে। আমরা শ্বাস নিতে শুরু করলাম, শ্বাস ভেতরে যাচ্ছে, ডেপথ অফ ব্রিদিং, কতক্ষণ সে গ্যাসেস এক্সচেঞ্জের টাইম পাচ্ছে, ডেড স্পেস কীরকম থাকছে, তারপর শ্বাস ছাড়তে আমরা শুরু করছি, কতখানি আমরা অ্যালভিওলাইকে কোল্যাপস করে আমরা টোটাল এই জিনিসটাকে করতে পারছি। এই সমস্ত জিনিসগুলো খুব ফান্ডামেন্টালি আমাদের ভাবা দরকার, যেটা আমরা ডে টু ডে রুটিন ক্লিনিক্যাল প্র্যাকটিসে একটা স্পাইরোমেট্রি করুন বলে ছেড়ে দিই, এটাতে হয় না। It's inadequate. Spirometry is not the ultimate what we are looking for. In Indian yoga, there are so many things, marvelous things, so many. अगर डायमंड बोलूँ तो कम हो जाएगा, ये डायमंड से भी और कुछ प्रेशस कुछ होता है। There are so many marvelous things are compiled or researched, but problem is this need to be learned under proper guidance, and not everybody is ready to go for the full depth of those experiences. I know one person. He's a great yogi. He lives in Mathura. Last year, September, I spent a few days with him. I went there, and you'll be surprised to know, being a doctor, I can't explain. He said me, "Oh, you are a doctor? Okay. Check my pulse." I said, what? Yes, I can stop my heart. Check my pulse. I was checking. He did some meditation. His heart rate started to dip. From 68 was basic. In a 4 minutes time, it came to 10. Further dropped to 6. Then 0, and stayed at 0 for 2 minutes. Again, slowly opened his eyes, and the heart rate came up. So this much control over your control autonomic system is possible. They are human beings like you and me. They did it. They learned this technique by their own practice. Own practice. So, and if you go to the gentleman, this gentleman is now roughly 68 years old. But if you sit in front of me, he looks like a child of near about 25 years. Why this thing happened? Because they knows how to control their metabolic rate. They knows how to control the every physiological function of your body. By the way, how many of you are aware that in every 12 years, every cells of our body get replaced? We have 3 trillion cells in our body. We have 3 trillion cells in our body. They are automatically being changed. And by every 12 years, you are a newer version of you. How many of you are aware of this fact? Whatever I can see in my Mahesh Debrewal ji अभी इधर पे है, मेरे बहुत सारे participants हैं. How many of you are aware that every 12 years, your every cell of your body get replaced? We don't know. This is happening. And there are a lot of practices. There are a lot of practices if it is done sincerely, and obviously along with your lifestyle, diet, your psyche, your thought process, everything is very, very important. We can gain some control. You can change your genes. You can change your genetic impacts. So these are possible. But unfortunately, these are lost art. These are lost art, unpracticed art. It takes time, but it takes time. It is not a very easy journey. It takes a strong determination, continuous practice, and slowly progression. But if anybody is sincere enough, and those who are stick to the Nirantana Vas, a daily practice, it is possible. It is possible to achieve that thing. That today the world we live, this is very, very ironical in terms of living, in the sense from childhood, as we grow, every aspect of our living, we live in a duality. We always have starting from our education, growth, everywhere, there are so many dilemmas, so many duality. We do not get opportunity to establish. And all these things. Amit City has mentioned that, do you have a recorded set? Yes, these are all available. I think there is a link here, safekidneyspay.com. In the chat box, you can see there is a safekidneyspay.com on link is given. Those who are asking for the recorded set, yes, these are all available. I made it available for everyone, and those who are participating in Mukti or this breathing exercise program, Art of Living with Diabetes, and a lot of other programs are coming. They all will be in a family where we interact with each other in the live sessions. Okay, and there we can control a lot of things. Okay. Kathakuli has mentioned it needs a massive control of body and mind. আমি সব কথা শুনে চলবো স্যার, আপনি যেমন বলবেন, and will never be depressed. হ্যাঁ Kathakuli, thank you very much. Absolutely it is possible. Absolutely it is possible. I can tell you, I can guide you. There are so many beautiful techniques to keep your mind always positive. Okay, so it is absolutely possible to take control of your emotion. I don't find why the depression comes. I don't find the reason why depression comes. Believe me, if you ask me, sir, do you feel depressed? Honestly, no. Do you feel anxious? Yes, sometimes. Do you have anger? Yes, I have. But that is to protect myself, not to destroy myself. You need to understand one thing very clearly. All these faculties which we have, be it depression, be it anger, be it anxiety, these are component of our mind given to us by nature to protect yourself. Now, moment the balance get disturbed, depression to some extent is good to take new motivation. Anxiety to some extent is good to format your thinking for a logical execution. But moment it become unbalanced, it loses its control, it becomes beyond your control. Your conscious mind cannot control, or you cannot see that that faculty is taking overlead. Then the situation is totally erratic. Then the man becomes depressed. And you know that medication we use for the depression treatment, they can have a temporary effect. This can have a temporary effect. Right now, those who are depressed, those who are feeling that I'm a bit depressed, we have some practices. We have some definite practices which I'll launch in the advanced Mukti program, because Mukti we are running in the beginners level. I can guarantee you, if you practice for 5 to 10 minutes, your serotonin level in the brain is bound to increase and depression will pass off immediately. It may not stay. It has been proven 1,000 times. There are some practices. But to do that, before going to that, you need an orientation. You need the right orientation, how need to be addressed, what are the things need to be done. Okay. So I was coming to the point, the reason, because what was the main purpose for designing these respiratory exercises, all these things. The link is here. You can go and you can find it out, learn the technique, because I have shown very methodically how the practice need to be done. And this is one of the greatest vaccine for the corona, I can tell you. We don't know what will happen with the vaccine which is coming, but if you practice this exercise which I have designed, this is not only protect you only from the corona, it will also protect you other respiratory viruses. Today corona is there, corona may go. Maybe next year another new virus will come. We do not know. But if we keep ourselves protected from our deeper core, I think that is the greatest vaccination against any disease, which we are not doing. Our logical and scientific mind is targeting every disease piece by piece, which is very unfortunate. But our living happens in a holistic concept. Our kidney does not work in isolation. Our heart does not work in isolation. They all in togetherness makes our being existent. But when we focus at the approach, medical approach, modern medicine, I'm a specialist. I do practice in nephrology, but our method of teaching is such a way, I don't like it. They focus only in the kidney. No. This is not the way. You might have the right knowledge for the kidney, much deeper knowledge for the kidney, but when you treat somebody, when you look somebody as a human being, his head to toe is one unit. Kidney is one part of that. Similarly, vaccination is good for some lot of infection, and we have prevented with the vaccination. There's no doubt about it. This is a marvelous discovery for prevention of a lot of infection. Nobody is asking any question, nobody raising any question about it. But beyond vaccination, there is one thing, that is the person who is otherwise taking the vaccine, his entire being need to be uplifted in a better health. And another thing is very, very wrong approach. I don't like it. We always believe in the absoluteness of health. No. Health is never absolute. It's a dynamic. People is thinking that I have taken vaccine, okay, I'm protected. No. You may be protected from corona. This specific virus, do you know there are millions of subtypes of this virus? Okay. So no vaccine gives you 100% protection in terms of retrovirus, especially those who are giving these micro changes and all this stuff. And that is the reason HIV we do not have vaccine till date, because retrovirus changes its nature very fast. So we need to find out a solution. We need to do work within ourselves so that we gain a capacity within us to coexist in an environment where there are a lot of bacteria, virus, they are there. We can cope up with them without any problem. So that is the most important point. Possibly yoga teaches us that thing. The fundamental principle is yoga is that thing. There is nothing wrong in taking the medical help, but the fundamental understanding of the health need to be very clear. That it is a holistic thing. It never been to be addressed in piecemeal. So I'm here for last maybe 53 minutes. Now I want to explain one by one what are the exercises I have programmed in this Mukti, and also in this breathing exercise for this respiratory infection, especially COVID. So my main target was to improve the functionality of the three lobes of the lung. We have, those who are new here, those who are not from the medical or biological background, you must know that our lung, it has a three lobe: upper lobe, middle lobe, and the lower lobe. Now, this three lobe, among the three lobes, the largest lobe is the lower lobe, which lies above the diaphragm, and majority of the time, this diaphragm, it remains so, when it protrudes so much in the in the thoracic cage, because of our belly fat and all this stuff, the lower lobe does not get right space for its expansion, and over time, what happens? A significant number of alveoli, maybe 30-40% of the alveoli in the lower lobe, they become atelectatic. You'll be surprised to know that normally our lung has a capacity to inhale 6 liters of air. 6 liters of air in one single breath. On the contrary, we breathe in hardly 350 to 400 ml. So we have a capacity of 6 liters and we are breathing 350 to 400 ml in each normal breath. Why this thing happens? Because a significant portion of the lung we don't utilize. Okay. Now, you got corona. Think about the two situations. One person, he has majority of the alveoli functioning, and another person, he has a significant number of alveoli not functioning. I think you all know that obese person is a very bad risk factors for the corona. Why? The reason because of the obesity, their diaphragm goes up and they cannot utilize the lower part of their alveoli. Their expansion of the breathing is not great. Because of the obesity, their mobility is less, they do not exercise, so the accessory muscles of the respiration cannot work properly as it's supposed to work. All this thing leads them in a crisis or in a challenge when their lung is at threat, when lung is at serious threat, because corona is involving some areas of the alveoli, some of the alveoli is getting destroyed by the multiple small thrombi. And if you have a reserve more, then you can fight with the situation very best. Not only that, after this infection, what happens when somebody goes home, his fever is down and his oxygen level is coming down, then those reserve area of the lung get fibrosed. That is very unfortunate story. If we do not exercise at that time, in long run what will happen? You will land in the interstitial lung disease, or your reserve will be permanently limited to a shorter limit. Next year, maybe corona may not be there. Any respiratory viral infection will lead to some other serious problem. This is the biggest threat which I am cautioning everybody who has gone through the corona or who has suffered from the corona. Why you should do this exercise? The purpose is, one viral infection given us a lesson, taught us a very significant lesson. That a small invisible virus can flat everybody. So what you need to do, we need to get prepared. And believe me, among all the organs in your body, two systems are directly exposed to the environment. One is our GI tract and second is our respiratory tract. We eat food, the food directly goes to the GI tract, and we breathe in, breathe out, by that we are directly exposed. Rest, all the internal organs are very nicely protected. Nothing goes directly to your liver, nothing goes directly to your heart, but the dust, pollution, air, whatever is there, they directly goes to your lung, the most vital organ of your life. What rubbish you eat in the footpath, wherever, they directly go to your GI tract. So these are the two important systems in our body which are directly exposed or at the risk of getting exposed to the environment. So these two organs is kept healthy, that is respiratory and GI. 99% of the physical problem or physiological problem can be taken care of. The Mukti program, what I have decided or what I have designed, it has been very nicely targeted to take care of these two primary organs. And the respiratory breathing exercise for the COVID has been designed in such a way, it is primarily targeting to your respiratory system. So I'll recommend everybody who is listening, those who are not listening, it will be your due responsibility to inform about these two programs to your family members, friends. Let them join, let them learn, let them practice, and we have a live sessions and where we can teach all the techniques, and if any questions, anything need to be corrected, those are, and these are all designed as a program, as a course. Reason because step by step I'll teach, do this, do that, do that, do that. After some time I release some new things. In that way, step by step approach. Because when you go to the school, you get admitted to the nursery, then promoted to class 1, then 2, 3, secondary, higher secondary. It should be sequential, stepwise manner. Same thing, same concept has been kept here also. So step by step we go to learn that. Okay. So that is the thing. So those who are attending today's live session, I'll recommend everybody. Majority, a lot of people are already practitioners. I can see Mr. Sarkar, he has written that she has been discharged 2nd December. I am monitoring blood sugar, BP is stable and getting recovery. Yeah. Mr. Sarkar, Mrs. Sarkar will be improved. Don't worry. Please recommend him to join to Mukti and also the breathing exercise which I have launched. The breathing exercise newly you have launched. Please ask her to practice those things. This will be tremendously helpful for her, and also you also practice. Because you are already a practitioner of Mukti, it will be much easier for you to grasp. Okay. Those who are not joining the Mukti here, new first time, I'll recommend to join both the program. This will be tremendously helpful to understand the fundamental principle of yoga and how it need to be established. And these are all beginners level. Moment you learn this thing very nicely, maybe practicing 3-6 months, we can go ahead for the advanced program. So I was discussing the two internal organ health. One is the GI, another is the respiratory. In this winter period, when the respiratory infection goes up, যখন এই ঠান্ডার সময়টা যখন শীতকালে আমাদের প্রচুর সর্দি কাশি লাগে, প্রচুর সমস্যা বেড়ে যায়, এই রেসপিরেটরি প্র্যাকটিসগুলো যদি রেগুলার আমরা করি, আমরা খুব ভালো থাকবো। ঠিক আছে? তো এটা করতে খুব বেশি সময় লাগে না, হার্ডলি 20-25 মিনিটসের মধ্যে পুরো ব্যাপারটা করা দরকার। এবং এটাকে টার্গেট করা আছে আমাদের 3টে লোবকে কী করে সিকোয়েন্সিয়ালি আমরা এক্সারসাইজ করাতে পারি, কী করে আমরা অ্যাক্সেসরি মাসেলসকে ব্রিথ করাতে পারি, কী করে আমরা রেসপিরেটরি সেন্টারকে অ্যাক্টিভেট করতে পারি। সিংহাসন যখন আমরা প্র্যাকটিস করি, ডু দ্যাট। আমরা এখানে কতগুলো মানে অ্যাক্সেসরি মাসেলস অফ রেসপিরেশনে কী করে হেল্প নিয়ে আমরা তাদেরকে ভাইটালাইজ করতে পারি, তার কতগুলো টেকনিক আছে। কিন্তু একটাই রিকোয়েস্ট সবাইকে বলবো, প্লিজ ওয়ান্স ইউ জয়েন, ইউ মাস্ট প্র্যাকটিস ইট। মিস্টার বাসন্ত কাজারি, আপনি বলেছেন ব্রিদিং এক্সারসাইজ ইন মুক্তি, মুক্তিতে যেগুলো আছে তার সাথে আরও অনেকগুলো জিনিস অ্যাড করা হয়েছে। কিপিং ইন মাইন্ড সেটা ঠিক করা যাবে, কোনো অসুবিধা নেই। ঠিক আছে? মানে আরও অনেকগুলো নতুন অ্যাড করা হয়েছে, মানে ইট ইজ মুক্তি প্লাস সামথিং। সো ইউ প্লিজ জয়েন দ্যাট। ওটাতে শুধু মুক্তিতে যে জিনিসগুলো আছে এটাতে আরও কিছু অ্যাডভান্স জিনিস আছে, সো প্লিজ জয়েন ইন দ্যাট, মানে উইল লার্ন লট অফ নিউ থিংস অ্যালং উইথ দ্য মুক্তি, ওকে? সো the purpose of this thing are, we need to vitalize our lung, we need to vitalize our GI tract, and if we can do these two organs very functioning or very healthy, then we are defended. That is the greatest vaccine of all disease. The greatest vaccine of all disease is keeping your lung healthy, keeping your GI tract healthy. You'll be surprised to know the entire research in medical science right now is focusing toward how to keep our lung healthy, how to keep our GI tract healthy. That is microbiota and microbiota related research and respiratory health related research. These are the two most important trend in the medical research. And these are all understood by our ancient ancestors. They address those things. It is our unfortunate attitude or lack of awareness that we do not do the due attention, or do not pay due attention to learn those things and practice in our day-to-day life. So I'll recommend everybody, please be with us, join with our multiple activities and learn whatever you can and apply those things in your life to live a healthy life. We are good for emergency treatment. When you have emergency, you must come to a doctor, there is no doubt. But how to prevent that emergency? Nobody is thinking like that. How to prevent the majority of the healthcare issues which we are really, the entire country is suffering from. Diabetes is the biggest challenge. We have started the Art of Living with Diabetes with the main intention to prevention of the diabetes. This COVID, respiratory program, respiratory infections is the biggest challenge. Lung infection is the most important cause of death in this country, in this city where this was so much of pollutions. How many antibiotics we should take? How many nebulizer you should take? We need to do something to keep yourself, keep our lung healthy. That is the main intention for developing this thing. And Mukti, I have decided for a holistic growth of the health. Mukti has another 3 or 4 layers. It is a beginner layer we have started with. Those who are doing Mukti beginners level, after 5 or 6 months of practice, I welcome you all to join to the level 2, where so many new things I will teach. And this respiratory exercise program is such a beautifully designed program. I recommend everybody, forget about the COVID. COVID today is there, COVID will pass off tomorrow. But this type of infection, chest infection, everything will come and go. If we don't get prepared ourselves, if we don't take lesson from this type of crisis, then possibly we are not doing the right thing. So that is the main intention. I did a lot of research, thorough study among all this exercise and tried to compile as a patient can do it. Not everything, what I practice at my home, whatever the things I know, not everything is doable by everybody. So it has been designed in such a way that you can start. Moment you are mature enough, then you can join in our advanced programs and gradually step by step. Obviously I do analyze and to take or hold your hand to progress further. So this much was my intention for doing this today's live session. Let me check whether I missed any questions. A lot of people are there. These are all welcome message. Thank you very much for joining, everybody. Amit has asked, do you have a recorded sets of for the yoga and asana? Yes, it has a recorded. It is in a structured online program. Moment you get enrolled, all the content will be available to you, Amit. And you can do the practice. And for all the enrolled participants, we have a live sessions in every 15 days. I think if you are not aware that every 15 days I sit with all the Mukti practitioners, Art of Living with diabetes practitioners, and obviously those who are practicing the breathing exercise for the COVID, those practitioners will be new addition. And I love to interact, I love to clear the doubts, because what I feel a culture of good health, culture of preventive health. Not only people should run to the doctors just for the medication and all this thing, they must do something in their daily routine so that they do not fall sick. We brush every day morning. Why? Because it became a habit. Similarly, if we do some practices daily, it becomes a habit. Then possibly we are vaccinated for heart disease, lung disease, kidney disease, COVID automatically. So this is my suggestion to everyone, those who are attending here. Make a habit of implementing some yoga element in your life to vaccinate yourself, to protect yourself for all the chronic disease on which the entire humanity is suffering. That is my suggestion. Kathakali, I have answered. He said massive control is needed. Yes, control is needed, and you can do it because we have a tremendous power within us. That is the reason we are human beings. We are slightly different from other species. Dibojit Chaudhary has mentioned, it is always very nice. Thank you, Dibojit. Radhika, Ashadharan program. Yes, thank you. But program is Ashadharan, but I will recommend everybody, everyone you, please take the benefit of this. Join these courses which I have designed for you all. Practice it daily. Then only I'll be happy. But the moment you practice, moment you get the maximum benefit out of this, the hard work, what I'm doing to design this program, then my effort will be useful. Please, I recommend everybody please join. Okay. Surbika has mentioned I'm overcoming depression. Definitely, Surbika, if you practice Mukti daily, there is no reason that you will feel depressed. It is automatically will develop a lot of positive vibes within you because it works in the serotonin level in the brain. Moment you do the Om chanting, moment you do the Gayatri mantras, and all this, what I'm not taught till now, when you go for the Yoga Nidras and all the other practices which I'll teach in the slightly advanced courses, then all this question of depression will not be there. Mahesh Dibrawal has mentioned which practices are. I'll teach you. Okay, in the you join in the Mukti, we'll teach you in this program. Okay. Then Mr. Sarkar has mentioned already regarding his wife. I have answered. Kathakuli has said so nice to see that. Okay, definitely Kathakuli. Please join in this program and take care of. Okay. Mr. Basant Kajarias, I have answered already. Okay. No, in Mukti, the breathing exercise, what I am teaching, and in this yoga, in this breathing exercise of COVID, there are slight difference. This is much more lung targeted program. Okay. Please, I'll recommend Mr. Sarkar, please ask Mr. Sarkar to join in the breathing exercise for the COVID program also. This will be tremendously helpful. Mr. Abrodas has asked me, do post-COVID inflammation comes down with breathing exercise? Definitely yes. Definitely yes. Because inflammation is bound to come moment you allow the lung to expand properly. Okay. Okay. Then Saket sir, it is our fortunate that we are getting this opportunity. Please. And I am also lucky that I can share this thing with you all. The COVID Mukti course is excellent. I have enrolled. Thank you very much. The point is not for enrollment. Point is we need to make sure that you are practicing daily. That is the greatest gift you can give to me. Please, a lot of people enroll but they don't practice. The purpose is practice. Nirantar Abhas. Nirantar Abhas. Okay. Mr. Jagannath Suraj mentioned 9 new items are added. I am used to really very beautiful. Please carry on. Please carry on because this will be tremendously improve your lung vitality. Okay. Jatin has mentioned, Jatin from Delhi. Thank you, Jatin, for joining. So nice to see you. Mr. Pradyut Dev Sarkar, I have already joined both the courses. Please continue. Please continue. Mr. Kaulal Mukherjee has mentioned, I am getting benefit of this program. I have a sleep apnea which doubts of my sleep with respiratory program. Yeah, I think if you join Mr. Mukherjee, if you join the breathing exercise program which I designed for the COVID, it is a tremendously helpful to take care of sleep apnea, especially the Simhasana which I have taught there. It is a tremendously helpful to take sleep apnea. Please join in this and learn the Simhasana which I have taught there. It's a very, very powerful thing. Okay. Exercise for breathing is our vaccine. Absolutely, Mr. Sur. This is the right vaccine, I'm telling you, because we do not know how efficacious is the Pfizer vaccine, whatever is going to happen to those. These are good, obviously. Time will speak about it when this full bond effect will be visible after coming, because in medicine we have learned a lot of drugs come with a lot of hope, but later on it does not pass the test of time, because we have seen over and over time. So if anything comes and really helps everybody to prevent infection and permanently, it is most welcome. But not all glitters are gold. We need to be very careful about that. Dr. Kolal Mukherjee said, it helped me besides CKD. Yes, please, definitely. It will tremendously help me. Okay. So please carry on. I think there are no more questions. So my humble request to everyone, those who are attending this program, because a lot of people don't know that these are possible. A lot of people don't know these exactly exist. My suggestion would be, we want a very healthy community. As you do, and also inform to your family members, friends, to join. Not necessarily they need to suffer from kidney disease. Anybody can join, anybody can do it, because this is designed for everyone to keep their health much better, keep their all internal organ health is better. So with this, I would like to conclude today. It is already 1 hour plus. Okay. So if you have any specific questions, you can ask me, because in the next 5-10 minutes I can answer. Okay. If anybody has any question, you can post me. And for joining, I think Sumanta has given you the link, SafeKidneysPay.com, exercise for COVID. You can go there, and in the Safe Kidney platform, you can go, you can search all the courses which are right now available. And very soon we are bringing with a lot of other powerful program, our Power Pack program, which will be tremendously helpful. Okay. Because these are the resources which ultimately adds on the care. Okay. Just writing prescription and giving 5 medicine does not work. These are much more powerful than the medicine. Medicine is needed, but along with these are also needed equally to keep you healthy, keep you functionally well. Okay. So thank you very much. If you do not have any questions, please give me permission to take off, because I have another meeting. A lot of people are already pinging me. Okay. So we need to join there. We need to discuss with a lot of other issues regarding my research and all this stuff. Okay. Thank you.